Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we continue learning about the order of operation with bracket. But you can see in my screen now, we have two multiplication or combining between division and multiplication in the bracket. So one by one, you can work with me for each question in screen, and I hope you can understand all of them. Okay, so question 1. You got the outside the bracket, you got only 20 plus, and the inside the bracket you have two multiplication and two, and between them you got addition. Okay, so how can you work with this? The first thing you have to remember, outside the bracket, I will repeat, and the inside the bracket you have two multiplication, so I will take it one by one. The first one you got 4 times 2, but I have to open bracket first, keep the bracket unchanged. And the inside multiplication first, you got 4 times 2 equal to 8, and 3 times 2 equal to 6. And the addition here, I will repeat it. You can see, look at this. 4 times 2 equal 8, 3 times 2 equals 6, and they combine between addition. After this step, inside the bracket, you have only one operation, is addition. Again, 20 plus, I repeat it, 8 plus 6 equal to 14. And it means 20 plus 14, you got 34. You got 34. Okay. Question 2. Another example like example 1. Inside the bracket, you have two multiplication. 17 plus, I repeat it, 9 times 3, you got 27. And another multiplication is 4 times 5. Minus 4 times 5 is mean minus 20. So after this, inside the bracket, you got 7. 27 minus 20 equal to 7. 24? Yes, 24. Question 3. You have division and multiplication inside the bracket. This one and this one. And they combine by addition. Okay. 25, I repeat, open bracket. This one, I will take it first. 3. And this one, I will take it in second. 6. And they combine with add, close bracket. After that, you got 25 plus 9 plus 6 equal to 9. And here you got 34. Question 4. 21. For the 21 is outside the bracket, I will repeat it. Inside the bracket, you got two division, 1 and 2. Between them, you got addition, so one by one. 16 divided by 4, you got 4. Plus 8 divided by 4, you got 2. After that, you got 21 plus 4 plus 2 equal to 6. And 27 is my final answer for question 4. I think that's not too difficult. You have two multiplication or division inside the bracket, so just take one by one, step by step. And question 4, we finish here. We move to another example. Question 5. Question 5, you have only two operation, multiplication and division. For this action, you will take from left to right. Take the left to right and still be unchanged for outside the bracket. 72 plus inside the bracket, taking from left to right, you got here is 12 and divide by 2, I will repeat. And then 72 plus 12 divided by 2, you got 6. 78 is my final answer for question 5. Because inside this bracket, we have no addition or subtraction, I just take from left to right. For icon in here is big term. Yeah, big term. Question 5 and question 6 have a little bit the same. You got here 72 plus, and here is 4 times 3 divided by 2, but for question 6 you have minus 4. Okay, how can you work with this one? Or more important, how can you show your working out for this question? Okay, open bracket. Take this big term first. For this big term, you got 4 times 3 divided by 2, taking from left to right, and then here is 12 divided by 2 and minus 4. I will repeat it. 72. So which action you will take in here? I will take division because you have division and subtraction inside the bracket. So priority for division. Question 6 here, minus 4 is repeat inside the bracket. And 72 plus 6 minus 4, you got 2. That's why you got 74 is my final answer. Okay, question 7. The same thing taken from left to right. 16 minus 50 divided by 2 inside the bracket give you 25, and 16 minus 25 it is equal to minus 9, Okay, question 8. 16 in here minus, you got 20 and this big term. You have to calculate this big term first. It means 10 times 5 divided by 2. So 10 times 5 is 15 divided by 2 and repeat. And then 20 minus 25. Subtraction and division. So take division first. You got 25. 20 minus 25. And a little bit harder for this one. 20 minus 25, you got minus 5 for this writing. 16 minus 5 is means 16 plus 5. 16 plus 5 equal to 21. And here is my final answer for question 8. Yeah, I agree. This is a little bit harder than, but one by one, and you can see in my so working out, I think you could understand. And in advance, you have question 9 and question 10. So very complicated for this question, but I think you carefully about your writing, your working out, so you will understand. Okay, 12 and repeat, minus and repeat. This big term I will take from left to right. 27 divided by 3 first, multiply 2 plus 4 plus 5, and then you got 12 minus this addition I will take first because this is multiplication, 18. Okay, plus 4 plus 5, 12 minus plus addition here and addition here, take from left to right. You got 22 first and plus 5, and then 12 minus 27 and minus 15 is my final answer for this question. Okay, that should not difficult, but I think a little bit harder than the last question. Question 10, you can work it by yourself. Yeah, that's compared to question 9, you will figure out how can you solve. And I will give you my solution here. 4 plus this big term, I will take it first. Here is 10 times 4 minus 5. And another one, you will got 4 plus 40 minus 5, and then 34. Once again, I repeat, 44 minus 5, because this one is addition and subtraction, so I will take from left to right. And for this one, you got 39. And minus 5 is my final answer for question 10. Okay, one by one, step by step, you will understand about this question. Thank you so much for watching this video very carefully about your test. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.